Let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open, keeping your spine erect and allowing your shoulders to soften. We will practice a short body scan, checking in with our bodies to settle the mind, and to also notice what physiological sensations and emotions might be present. Begin by taking a full breath in and a long breath out. Now bringing awareness to the top of your body, your head, face, neck, shoulders. Noticing any sensations, movements, any places of holding. Now moving down to the arms and the hands. Sensing the back of the body, the front of the body. Sensing yourself seated. Feeling the contact of your body with the chair. Now sensing your upper legs, your lower legs, and the feet. Noticing if there are any particular places that call out for attention. Places where sensations feel most vibrant or dynamic. Scanning to see if there are places where there is a lack of sensation or only very faint sensation. Now sensing the whole body breathing. Taking a deep breath in and a long, gentle breath out. You may gently open your eyes.